In this video, I'm going to guide you how to create faceless YouTube music channel. Look at this channel. They are generating average monthly income of these amount, with more than 13 million subscribers. Their popular video even has 102 million views. Why is this channel so popular? This is because they're gaining high demand. But, with such a high competition, do you think that it will really work? No worries, look at this channel. It only created less than 1 year, but already has 83,000 subscribers. And this channel also created less than 1 year, with 191,000 subscribers. So, in order for you to success in YouTube music, you need to have different theme, like this Ghibli style, anime style, or Disney style. Next, what we need is to get royalty-free music. Go to mubert.com. In this site, you can generate your music. Sign up or log into the site. Here is the dashboard. You can either enter your prompt here, or choose the selection of tab. For example, next, set the duration of your music. Then click Generate Track, and wait for it to generate. Once it is generated, then click on the download button. Go to My Downloads tab. Your tracks will appear here. Then you click on the download icon. It will ask you to connect to your YouTube channel. Just connect to your channel here. Let's look at their pricing plan. Their free plan can generate 25 tracks per month, but you don't own the copyright. As for the Pro plan, you can generate 500 tracks per month, and also own the copyright. But, if you don't want to pay for high initial startup, then I have a secret trick for you. Click on Become Affiliate. Sign up for the affiliate. Then you will receive a 30% commission. And also, you can credit Mubert music at your channel without paying any fee. There's another music generation tool here, AIVA.ai. The free plan, music copyright owned by AIVA. As for the Pro plan, music, copyright owned by you. Sign up and log in to your account. You can start to create music track here. You can either type in your style or choose the one given in library. Click on Create Track. Once it is generated, then you can download the track. After this, we will need to create an image for it. You can either use Leonardo.ai or Bing Image Creator. Let's start with Bing Image Creator. Type in your prompt here. Then click Create. Your images are generated. Next, we will try on Leonardo.ai. At the dashboard, click on Image Generation. Insert your prompt. Then click Generate. Then, your images are generated. Next, we will need to compile all your work by using CapCut. First, click on New Video. Then, choose Blank Canva. Next, click here to upload your image and music files. Next, drag the image to the timeline, followed by the music files. Drag the image to in line with the music. Next, you can create effects to the image. Lastly, you can add in more music tracks and make it at least 1 hour length music channel. Once you have completed, then click on Export and download the MP4 file. Subscribe to my channel to get my secret to make money using AI.